We'd seen the photographs of how she was when she was first brought into the RSPCA. Couldn't believe that anyone could do that to a dog. Couldn't believe the love and care that was given to her to bring her back up to what she is now. Oh, it's just, I can't believe anyone could do that, let a dog get into that condition. I just don't understand. If you've got a choice as to whether you can have a dog or not, why you'd have a dog and let it get into that state. It's just wrong, you know? She's just the kind of dog you can't not smile at and not think, what a beautiful dog. There's no way in the world that, you know, we could ever mistreat an animal or even be unkind to an animal. I just don't know how you could do it. And she comes back to this happy, loving animal that just gives us so much. Even, you know, from what she's been through, you'd expect them to be a bit bitter and twisted, but they never are. You know, they just want to be loved. She's just a loving, trusting dog, which is just so surprising after what she went through. I can't speak highly enough of what the RSPCA do. For every dog like Amara that finds a happy home, there must be hundreds of dogs that are still out there waiting to be rescued. And the more money that can be given to allow that rescue to happen, the better it is.